What's up, y'all? Dave here, Wild Hearts Farm. So we have had our next round of meat birds for about 9 weeks now. We've had them on pasture for close to 5. You know, they've been out here in the sunshine, scratching, pecking, eating nothing but organic feed and natural bugs and whatnot. You know, the way they're supposed to live, and they're really happy. But we've weighed a few, and they're getting to that 5 to 7 pound range. We have some teetering to 8, so it is now time to process. That's as big as you want to. That's as big as we want a chicken. At least you might want some bigger ones, but that's about as big as we want a chicken. And if we're going to sell them, you know, 4 to 5 pounds is about the max for a good profitable bird. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna split this up. I'm gonna process the bigger ones right now. We're gonna wait a couple days. We got some help coming this weekend, and then we're gonna tackle the rest. So I'm just gonna take you along while I process these and show y'all how I do it. So here we go. All right, y'all, so one really important step that you don't want to miss is that you want to make sure that you don't feed the chickens you're going to process for at least, I would say, about 24 hours. That's just to make sure their crop is going to be completely empty, so you don't have to deal with that nastiness. So the birds I'm going to process today, I've actually quarantined them over here into the old coop. We've given them just water, no food for the last 24 hours. I'm going to load them into a little carrier, take them over to the processing site, and get started. Here we go. All right, y'all. Well, that was a good start, and it's going to make this weekend go by a little bit quicker. We got a few birds there now in the freezer. We've got everything set up and ready to go already. So we've got people coming over to help us out. Not only that, the reason they wanted to help us out, not only just to be neighborly, but to actually learn this process as well. So we're going to walk them through and kind of teach them how to do this, how to process these chickens and kind of pass that wisdom on. That's really what this is all about out here at Wild Hearts Farm. Living a sustainable life, connected to nature, all that God has provided for us, and just promoting this lifestyle, feeding ourselves, being sustainable. Just so incredibly important to us. So thank you all for stopping by and checking this video out. If you have any questions at all, feel free to just comment and ask it. I will be sure to reply. I'm absolutely honest about that. I will be sure to our reply. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video, go ahead and like it and share it too with anybody else who may be interested in this type of work and lifestyle. So thank you again. Have an awesome, blessed day. God bless you all, and till next time. All right.